Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Dinilan Andina from University of Al-Azhar Indonesia. Today, I will present to you about the sacralization of myths and beliefs Malam Jumat Kliwon by Joni Iskandar. In this presentation, I will talk about semantic change in linguistics. Semantic change refers to the evolution of word meanings over time due to social, cultural, or linguistic factors. K types include narrowing or where a word meaning becomes more specific, broadening or where it becomes more general, and sieves where the meaning changes entirely, and the amelioration or where the meaning becomes more positive, and the last is pejoration or where it becomes more negative. This change reflects how language adapts alongside societal and cultural transformation. The second is research background. In Javanese culture, Malam Jumat Kliwon is believed to be a sacred and mysterious time. Many rituals are performed, such as the cleaning of heirlooms, and it is believed to be a time when spirits are more active. The purpose of this study research the phenomenon of desacralization in Indonesia's culture, local cultural traditions, especially those related to Malam Jumat Kliwon, by analyzing the lyrics of a song created by Joni Iskandar. For centuries, Thursday night of Kliwon, historically considered a sacred time with a mysterious aura, has been an important part of Javanese culture. However, the way people see the world this night has started to change along with modernization, urbanization, and the influence of global culture. This research aims to how the sacred value of Malam Jumat Kliwon have shifted in meaning. The second is analyze song lyrics as a form of cultural desacralization. And the last is how music becomes a medium that influences people's perspective on tradition. Methodology. This method used in this research, descriptive qualitative, which is commonly used by research to describe symptoms and events. Qualitative research is research that is more focused on describing the nature of the value of an object or symptom. That is natural. The data collected is in the form of words of pictures so that it does not emphasize number. The data collection technique used is observation, where researchers observe the lyric is the song Malam Jumat Kliwon. Data analysis uses a qualitative approach that is used to determine the phenomenon of desacralization in the phenomenon of Malam Jumat Kliwon. Analysis of song lyrics. Aku bertemu perempuan, duduk rileks di batu nisan, gigi ompong panjang taringnya, rambut gondrong botak atasnya. In this stanza, the singer describes the figure of Ghost Kuntilanak in a funny way, contrary to the figure imagined by people in general who are considered scary. Through this lyric, the singer reverses the creepy meaning of the ghost into something funny and absurd. In the sentence Gigi Ompong Panjang Taringnya, it describes the ghost in an inverted way, usually having sharp and scary teeth, but the ghost here has an imperfect appearance. Although Panjang Taringnya has a creepy meaning, but with imperfections in the teeth that make it seems funny. Furthermore, the sentence rambut gondrong, botak atasnya has an uncanny impression on the ghost. Usually, kuntilanak is depicted with long hair that covers the face. And the second is, merinding bulu jaketku, tak dapat ku berlalu. Ketika aku mau pingsan, akhirnya dia pingsan duluan melihat celana kedua. In this stanza, what is meant by my jacket is compared to Saint-Cyr. In addition, in this lyric, the singer reverses the situation where generally, when someone meets a ghost, he will faint. But in this lyric, the ghost is the one who faints because he is surprised to see kedodoran pants. The use of the word keduduran serves to give a funny impression. Usually, keduduran is used to describe pants that are too loose or fall down due to improper use. And the last is a conclusion. This desacralization, the values and symbols that were previously considered sacred have changed their meaning, providing more understanding of the role of music media, especially as a means of communication in conveying the values of norms and traditions. Thus, this research is expected to make a significant contributing to culture, especially understanding how local tradition will continue to develop despite the challenges of continuous change. We can better appreciate the richness and diversity of existing cultures and encourage people to actively participate in maintaining their cultural heritage. This research is expected to contribute to understanding the phenomenon of changing meaning in local cultural traditions, especially in the context of how music media can influence people, perceptions, and beliefs, providing new insight into how local tradition can change and adapt to the evolving social context and enrich the study of popular culture and music. In addition, it is how components of local culture can be maintained or change the face of the influence of globalization. By understanding this process, we can see how people do not just become passive consumers of popular culture, but keep redefining their own cultural identity. This shift in meaning encourage us to reconsider the way we interpret tradition in ever-changing world. By looking at how local tradition change, we can understand how communities maintain and actively renew their cultural identity. As a result, this research is crucial to understanding the process of desacralization and giving credit to creativity and capability. It also gives credit to survive in various contexts of the current context and in change understanding across generation. That's all from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.